What's up, Vipers? Mrs. Rich here. Welcome to week 5 of Vista Magnet's virtual school. Let's take a moment to see what exciting things you can expect for this week's advisory. It's jam-packed with fun. Here's our agenda. Make sure you watch the Viper staff feature with Mr. Post. I bet you didn't know that Mr. Post has a green thumb and dabbles in the agricultural arts. Check out how he's been spending his time nurturing nature. Next up, watch a Viper student feature with Taylor Romney. This is a premiere presentation for our first ever student feature and advisory. Taylor Romney will be sharing helpful tips for you to stay organized as you tackle your assignments in Google Classroom. A huge shout out goes out to her for being a risk taker and a standout Viper. Next, preview your weekly agenda. As always, this is an important preview to what your learning goals are for the week. Remember, you always want to work to your potential and take in all your teacher's feedback. This will help you grow as a student. Be sure to listen carefully to the student feature for a tip on how you can interact with your weekly agenda to boost your organization and productivity. Lastly, review the Just for Fun Belong activity. It was so awesome to see the crazy hair out there. It's always fun to get silly and laugh, especially during this time. For this week, I encourage all Vipers to participate in the activity because it celebrates our amazing Viper teachers. This week is Teacher Appreciation Week. Please take the time to share how you are grateful for your teachers. I know that they miss you very much, and that virtual school is a challenge for them too. They are constantly thinking of ways to engage and motivate you to be the best version of yourself. Knowing that you care and appreciate them will mean so much. Gratitude is the best gift you can give. Oh, and also doing all of your assignments, but you knew that. Next up, I'm going to review an important announcement. Participation agreements. This message is for 6th and 7th grade students returning to VMS next school year. An online form of the participation agreement was sent to parents on April 30th. That was last week. Please understand that there is a due date for these participation forms, and that is tomorrow, Tuesday, May 5th. Students, please remind your parents to complete their participation agreement so that we can expect your return for next year as a Viper. All right, Vipers, let's get ready for an amazing week of learning. We are so proud of you and miss you very, very much. Take care and stay connected. Mrs. Rich out.